Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you a simple way how you can earn some extra money working from home by downloading apps. It's really simple, it's quick, it's easy, and it's free to go ahead and join. Now, anyone can do this in the world, and what I also like about this is you can potentially start earning a passive income from this. Now, before I jump into that and show you exactly where to go, the website, I'll show you some income shots, I'll show you some pictures and some other cool bits. First of all, if this is the first time you're on the channel, welcome, my name is Mark and this is one of my blogs. Now, I go ahead and share videos and I blog about working from home and making extra money online. Now, if I just scroll down here, I'll drop a link to my blog below. You can go ahead and check out all of these different posts on here. There's hundreds of posts on here about making money online and working from home. So if you're interested in working from home making money, then go ahead, hit the notifications tab and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll always be notified every single time I upload a video. And also, you see over here, the best free resources available. If you scroll down here, put in your name and your email, you'll get instant access to my members area. We've got lots of freebies in there for you. We've got PDFs, we've got ebooks, we've got courses and some other cool bits. So put in your name and your email and then you'll get instant access to here, the members area, to earn money online. So let's jump into today's video. So the site we're looking at is this one here. It's called featurepoint.com. So how this works is it's an app and you can go ahead and download this app on the iPhone and you can also get it for Android. Now if I just scroll down here, I'll show you a couple of examples. So how does this work? So basically you earn points by downloading free apps on your phone or iPad and then going ahead and trying them for a minute. So you download it, you test it out for a minute and then you earn points. And you can see these are the coins that you earn, and then if you go ahead and leave them a review or a rating, then you get an extra 150. Now you get rewarded in coins, and then coins equal prizes, and then you can go ahead and cash these out. And you can see here we've got Amazon, we've got PayPal, we've got iTunes, PlayStation, Google, Steam, etc. Now the minimal withdrawal on this is, I think it was $5 if I remember correctly. And then you can also go ahead, if you don't want to go and get any of these vouchers here, you can actually use your points that you've earned to go ahead and pay for paid apps like Minecraft and Monopoly and some of these other ones on here. I'll be honest with you, I don't regularly download paid apps, games and play around with them. I just simply don't have the time for it. But if you're into your games and downloading it, then you can go ahead and you can just rack up your points and then go and get some of these paid apps for free. Now you see all these social profiles here. These are all of the different these are all the different social profiles that Feature Points are active on. So I've just got one open here for you. This is Twitter. You can see they've got over 231,000 followers. They've got it's a lot of followers. So they're on all of the different social platforms as you'd expect. Now, I said at the beginning of the video you can potentially earn a passive income from this, and it's here. This earn unlimited points by referring your friends. So what happens is you sign up, you download the app, and then in the back office on your app you will get given a referral link, and then you will earn 50% of any points of somebody you recommend. Now that doesn't mean it's going to take away their points, it just means you're also going to earn 50% of the points that they earn. So that's pretty cool. So you can share that on Facebook, you can share it on any of the social channels. They give you videos, they give you promotional material. If you've got a blog or a website, you can share it on there. It's really simple to do. So let me just go ahead and show you the actual app. So I'm over on the Google Play Store here. You can see it's had 121,000 downloads and it's got a rating of 4 out of 5 stars, which is pretty cool. Now this here is how it looks once you've downloaded the app. So let me just go ahead and find a picture for you. That's the video. So click on here. So this is how it would look on your device. So download these apps to earn points, and you've got all of these really popular apps on here, but then you've also got games, and this is how it looks. So you can earn, you've got your rewards, and then they share here, so you can simply hit this and you can share it on any social platforms or channels that you're on. You've then got, you can redeem your points for these awesome rewards. So yeah, they're all $5. So you can see here you've got iTunes, Amazon, PayPal, Google. There's many more on there. You can even go ahead and exchange this for cryptocurrency using Coinbase and other different platforms. And then you've got another Amazon one here, and then scroll across here. Yeah. And then you've got this here, this share code. So you can see, you can share it on all the social channels. You can even share a custom video which has been made for you. You just share that on YouTube. So that is pretty much it for today's video. Now let me just go ahead and point out a couple of things you need to know about this. So first of all, I'll show you this here. So this here is the become an exclusive partner. This basically means you're just going ahead and sharing your link. Now there's a video on here, you can go ahead and watch this. It's someone giving their feedback on the app. And then you've got, you know, the usual stuff that you'd expect from this. Your fans will love us, make easy money, etc. Now, they've got this little slider here. Now, on these sliders, they always give you the best case scenario. So this is the minimum you can drag it down to. 5,000 active followers. You can potentially earn up to $600 a month with 5,000 active followers. I personally don't know many people who have 5,000 active followers, but by all means you can go to this slider here and play around with it. And let's have a look at the top one. Bloody hell. So if you had 500,000 active followers, you'd be potentially earning 60 grand a month. Pretty cool, really. If you've got that many followers, it's pretty cool because you could potentially be earning that much money. Now, there's a couple of points to note about this over here in the featured points web terms, so the terms of service basically. I just want to show this to you down here. So where is it? Where did I see it? This line here. Oh, it's not letting me highlight it. Inactivity. So basically what it's saying is, if you go ahead and download this app and you're not active on there for a maximum of 60 days, then you'll be classed as inactive. So any points that you've earned yourself on the platform, or anyone you've referred to the platform and they've earned points, you would actually go ahead and potentially lose them. So all this basically means is, whenever... Yeah, so sorry, here. So what this basically means is, what I would say is, I mean, I do this on the app myself. Once a week, I just log into the app, and that's it. It takes 10 seconds. I open the app, I have a look at my account, and that's it, done. There's no more to it. Just do not let it go over 60 days. Now, it's entirely up to you how you want to go ahead and do this. You can sign up and just start downloading the apps and playing around with the games and earning some free coins. And then you can also go ahead and share this with your friends, with your family, your followers, your blog, website, Pinterest account, whatever really. So that is it. Now look, you're not going to go ahead and earn hundreds and thousands of, well, you could earn hundreds and thousands of pounds if you've got a lot of followers, but realistically, most people, you're not going to hundreds of thousands of pounds. You're potentially going to earn a little bit of pocket money each month from doing so. It is free. It's quick to do, it's simple, and it's easy. The only last thing I would say to you on here is when you're downloading these apps, don't be using your own data on your phone, because your phone data can stack up pretty quickly, and if some of these are big files, then you're going to start running up your data. I'd say always download these whenever you're connected to the internet, whether that's the internet at home because it's a lot cheaper, or whether you're out and about anywhere. Just join the Wi-Fi and download these. But that's today's video. It's simple, it's quick, it's easy. They're a verified company. They've been around for a long time. They work with huge brands, and like I say, you can go ahead, you can check them out on all of these different social profiles here. This is available worldwide. Anyone can do this and anyone can get started. So that is it, today's video. I'll drop links to everything I've discussed below for you, and again I'll drop a link over to my blog if you want to go ahead and look at more ways to earn online. Check out the blog. So that's enough for today's video. Thank you for watching. I apologise about this glare over here coming in from the sun. I can't do anything about that. So probably because I'm in the UK, it'll be back to being dark again tomorrow. So I shall see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.